Brian, and I'm going to show everyone how to log in to Turnitin, how to create some classes, how to add students' emails if it's a transfer student or a new student who's a freshman, and how to add assignments. This is the first of a couple videos. So first, what you do is you log in. Everyone has a built-in login already. Once you log in, you're going to go to the dashboard. On the dashboard, since everyone should have brand new classes, there won't be anything there. What you should do is click the All Classes button, and this will turn into your own section of classes. Right now I currently have some classes from last year as well as my current new classes. What I'm going to do is show you how to create a class as well as show you what options you're able to do once you have a class there. So first, what you would do if you want to add a class would click the green button to the right side. Once this page comes up, you want the standard class type, class name, name it test, enrollment password, so let's do test 1. Subject area, click your subject areas, 16, 17, and then over here's the end date. This is important because right now it's set to a default for February. What you want it to do is go to June. So you click the calendar, click the right portion of the calendar, and go to, let's say, June 5th, and then you submit. Once your class is created, this page comes up, and this is very important. This works very closely like Edmodo, for example. So you have a class code, which is your class ID. Your student will have to use this ID at a later time. So what I do is I copy and paste this ID and put it in a Word document, such as so. And I'll show you what happens on the student side for this. So once you have your class, students are able to add your class with those accounts. What I do is I post this code on my board so students know exactly how to log in. Let's say you have a class already. Let's say you have a transfer student. To add a student, whether this is freshman or a transfer, you can click Students. Once they're enrolled, this is where they show up. You can click Add Student, and then you have to use their Cathedral High School email address. When you send this email for submit, the student will receive the ID code and the password. So this is how you're able to add a student to your class. I'm going to go back because I don't have to do that. The next important part is learning how to add an assignment. What you do, let's say you're back at the dashboard, click All Classes, go to the specific class you want. For example, I want Test. Then you click this green button for Add Assignment. Over here, I'm going to give you a brief preview. My next video is going to be much more in depth, but I just want to show you how you're able to give a simple assignment. You name it, point value, let's do 10. Over here, you're able to click file types that Turnitin can check for originality. For papers, this is what I click. However, for other homework, such as if students are using Notability or anything, you can also allow any file type. But right now, I'm going to keep it simple and just add regular file types. So the start date, let's have it right now, 6:44 p.m. The due date, let's have for Tuesday at 4:59 p.m. And then the post date, this is important. I always have the post date the time of the assignment. So let's have 8 p.m. right after the assignment. I'll go over the optional settings at a later date, but you click submit and you have your assignment. My next couple of videos will show you what to do after this point.